I think a key benefit for rewilding is, first of all, for promoting biodiversity, but also about allowing us to have a better relationship with nature and the landscape around us.
Allowing animals who have been removed from a habitat to return.
I think the benefits of rewilding would be that people get that space and they get that time to take a break out of their busy social lives.
It makes everything so much more exciting. You've got so many animals and plants that just come back. They seem to appear out of nowhere, and you can go out and you can see those animals and interact with those animals and plants, and that for me is one of the best things about it.
I think the key benefit of rewilding is its capacity for big change. You can do it on any piece of land around the world. You can take one little scrap of farmland and turn it into a sort of biological haven.
The restoration of natural processes in the landscape.
Getting people excited about the outdoors again, and getting people to understand what their own landscapes look like and not have to travel for miles to go and look at something that's exciting and biodiverse.
I think a key benefit I get from rewilding personally is seeing how engaged people can become within rewilding, particularly young people.
Just a chance to connect with nature in places that are a lot more wild than perhaps I'm used to.
The opportunity to see so many species thrive and to see animals and species that I haven't seen before.
Teaches us how to relinquish our control over the environment and allowing wildlife and wildness to respond as it always would.
Personally, rewilding massively improves my mental well-being.
It gives me the opportunity to challenge what I think I know about nature conservation, but I have to question every decision I'm making. It's really exciting.